What's poppin', MK gang? It's your boy, man.
And your girl, Kayla.
What we doing today?
Y'all, it's the 4th of July. It's the 4th of motherfucking July. And we about to have a motherfucking mini vlog for y'all motherfucking.
Okay. She cursing. We're not doing that. But y'all, it's 4th of July. And we about to turn up for y'all.
Yup.
We got fireworks.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yup. So, y'all
hear that?
Yeah.
But I was louder.
Way louder. Y'all gonna see. But y'all, watch when we get into the video, y'all. When we get into this vlog, they cooking on a grill too. Let me show y'all.
I season that.
Let's show them the food. Come on. We want to show y'all the food on the grill. They whipping up something on the grill. Open it. Do you know how to open it?
Yeah, man.
Supposed to lift the whole thing up, but okay. Yeah, y'all.
I seasoned that.
Yeah, look at it.
Y'all see that season. If you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned.
That's what's on the grill, y'all. So
we got.
Yeah, it's way more stuff. Ooh, this light too bright.
I got it on good. This how you do it? It's on?
Yeah, light too bright. But y'all, yeah. We about to turn up for y'all. Y'all want to see the fireworks? We want to show them fireworks?
Yeah, we could.
Show y'all the fireworks. Fireworks.
Yeah.
What? Look at Scooter. See Scooter?
Yeah, that's my scooter, y'all.
That's not her. She lying. Show y'all the fireworks. They ain't getting no light in here. Plug that light up. Show y'all the fireworks. We ain't got too much, you know. But we got some stuff. Waiting for her to plug the light up. We got like these rockets. Yeah. Got this big box right here, y'all, with some stuff in it.
We got sweet cheeks over here, y'all.
Yeah, we got sweet cheek big things right here. That right there.
About 15, 20 minutes.
I already shot one of these. Some bombs. Yeah, y'all. And that's really all. We got 100. Got this big old little roll.
Then we got another roll.
We got one right here. Yeah. Focus. Yeah, so that's what we doing today.
Yeah, y'all about to be hearing some.
Yeah, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, y'all, and get ready for this 4th of July. Turn up, y'all. We about to turn up for y'all.
Epic.
About to turn up for y'all.
Epicness.
Man. Turn up for y'all. So y'all, I gotta get back to my TV show I was watching.
Yeah.
I'll get back to y'all later.
Okay, y'all, so it's dark and we about to do the fireworks. Well, we already doing them. Well, me ain't doing them.
Roll it right there. Right there.
Record?
Yeah, well, I gotta do this one.
That's somebody shooting a gun. Strong.
Oh, there we go.
What that is?
That's the, what that is?
The wave.
Oh, the wave one.
But I can't get this off. That was weak.
He's a jack.
Hey, you probably straight the time tomorrow.
No, it ain't.
Oh, shit. About to go to somebody's house. And that joint looked like it was about to go right over there in the house.
Yeah. That mud. Huh? One of those? No. Oh, yeah, we still have more.
Where y'all going?
Acorn. I think it's going this. Wait.
That gotta go on the ground, ain't it?
About to blow us up.
Stop.
Y'all, did she have a mic unplugged? Focus. Huh. In the house. Gotta go get it. Y'all, going down. Let's shoot these. Y'all probably can't see it. Let me see.
Come on, y'all.
Up the top. Pull that string out. Alright, let Rick hold that. You gotta hold it now
Okay.
and shoot it up.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go out there because they right there.
Stand right here.
Dad, you too close. I get this.
Where are you? Let me focus.
Yeah. That's it.
Wait, just hold it right there though. Shake it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
You sure?
That's it. That's the bad one. Grab some fire.
It hit your car.
If you light it at the top. 7 shots.
What the hell?
Yeah, that's where they posted.